Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel. We are going to find the value of x given 100 to power x is equal to 400. So here the first step is you can simplify that equation. So we shall have 100 to power x is equal to 100 times 4. Then after that we introduce log over 100. So log over 100 times 100 to power x is equal to log over 100 times 100 times 4. So this is the same as x log over 100 times 100 is equal to log over 100 plus log 100 of 4. So x is equal to 1 plus log 100 of 4. So here we can introduce log 10 on log 100 to power 4. So x is going to be equal to 1 plus log 10 of 4 over log 10 of 100. So x is equal to, x is going to be equal to 1 plus log 10 of 4 over log 10 of 10 squared. So x is going to be the same as 1 plus log 10 of 4 over 2 log 10. Then x will be 1 plus 0.6021 over 2 times 1. So x is equal to 1 plus 0.6021 over 2. When x is 1 plus 0.3010. So x is equal to 1.3010. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. See you in the next video.